broccoli, beans, carrots, and corn. Potatoes, rice, may I have a little more? Yeah! What helps your body jump in the air? Jump, jump, jump in the air. What helps your hands shoot a basketball? Shoot, shoot, shoot a basketball. What helps your arms paddle a boat? Paddle, paddle, paddle a boat. What helps your body grow? It's good foods help you jump in the air. Good foods help you shoot a basketball. Good foods help you paddle a boat. Good foods. All right. Good foods. All right. Like apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. Chicken, fish, ham, and steak. Broccoli, beans, carrots, and corn. Potatoes and rice. May I have a little more, please? Yeah. It's good foods help your muscles grow. Good foods help you run real fast. Good foods help your arms to swim. Good foods. All right. Good foods, eat them every day.
Awesome.
Let's
So
be
today
friends. Place
we will be learning about our 5 different groups of foods. Before we get started, we are going to do our song. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it all. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday spaghetti. Monday string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it up. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday zoo. Thursday spaghetti. Monday string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it up. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Thursday roast beef. Wednesday zoo. Tuesday spaghetti. Monday string beef. All you hungry children, come and eat it all. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Friday fresh fish. Thursday roast fish. Wednesday zoo. Tuesday spaghetti. Monday string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it all. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Saturday chicken. Friday fresh fish. Thursday roast beef. Wednesday zoo. Tuesday spaghetti. Monday string beans. All you hungry children, come and eat it all. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Sunday ice cream. Saturday chicken. Friday fresh fish. Thursday roast beef. Wednesday zoo. Tuesday spaghetti. Monday string beans. All your hungry children, come and eat it all. All your hungry children, come and eat it all. Good morning, JC.
Because I can hear it all the way down to
Oh, really?
the library. That's our class.
Okay, so we are going to get started. Can everyone get their packet ready?
Okay, so we're gonna get, I'll get
So they're ready.
voice, okay. Okay. And then Rubens is in the front office.
Okay.
Do you want them to take it out or just have it ready?
They could just have it ready.
Okay, they have it ready.
So let's get.
So, why are you eating your apple right now, though?
Oh no, he brought it for him from breakfast. I don't know.
Okay,
I just saw him give it to him.
You're gonna eat it during, because you ate breakfast and you came early today. So, you're gonna have this during your snack time, okay? Your break time. Because Mom dropped him off at early enough for him to, eat his breakfast. You only eat breakfast if you're really, really late, okay? But it'll be here for you for recess, okay? Okay.
You have a question, Ruben?
Yeah, it's in the office.
Yeah, it's in the office. It's okay if you don't have it in front of you. You could work on it once you have it. Yeah, it's in the office for her already. So she could just ask in the office and they'll give it to her.
Okay, so we're ready?
So we are ready. So we have different categories and different groups of foods. We have our proteins. And remember, each food helps us grow in different ways. They have different sources to help our body. So our first group is our grains. And here we have bread. So we have bread. Can you see the bread?
Angel, let's look at the screen. Aiden, look at the screen.
So we have bread, whole wheat bread. We also have our hamburger bun. It could be a whole wheat hamburger bun makes it a lot healthier.
I'm gonna have you put someone on mute. I don't know who's making that noise.
Oh, it's Ruben.
Okay, and then if you can hold the fruit up because I can barely see it in the screen.
Okay.
Okay.
So here we have our breads. And these are all parts of grains. And these foods are good for your body because they help you have more energy to think and move your body. So every time we move our body, we need our grains to give us a lot more energy.
Can you put that person on mute? I'm sorry. Okay.
There's no.
JC.
Oh, it's JC here. Found it.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. And I'm just gonna point for the
And another category that we have here is our proteins. And these foods help us make our muscles grow strong because they contain protein and they help build muscle. So under this category, we have our meat. We have our fish. We have our chicken. We have our patties. We have our eggs. And we have our hot dogs.
Okay, well here it says beans.
Yeah, they have beans. Beans are also another source of protein. And then we have our dairy. In our dairy, we have our cheese. We have our milk.
Did you have milk this morning?
We have more cheese here. And these foods are good for you because they help our bones. They help our teeth because they contain calcium. Our next category that we have are fruits and vegetables. And these fruits are good for you because they have vitamins and minerals. And they help our bodies work when we get sick. And we have our vegetables. For our vegetables, we have broccoli. We have tomatoes. We have carrots. I don't have a carrot. We have cabbage. For our fruits, we have apples. We have oranges. We have bananas. And we have watermelon.
Ooh, watermelon. I can't wait for watermelon.
We also have berries. We have strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Look up here.
And our berries have a lot of vitamins that help your body stay strong. And these foods that you see on the screen, are these foods healthy for you, Alex? You can unmute yourself, Alex. Are they healthy?
What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
No, so these foods on the screen, they are foods that contain too much sugar and they have bad fats that they can make us sick sometimes. So it is okay to eat them sometimes in small amounts. Remember, small portions. You can have it as a treat. So maybe on your birthday, you'll have a small cupcake to celebrate your birthday. And so let's eat a lot of healthy foods every day so we can have a lot of energy. A well-balanced plate has our protein. We have our bread. We have our vegetable. And we could add dairy. What am I missing if I have my protein, my dairy, my vegetable, and my grain? What am I missing, Angel?
Look over here. What is she missing? Look over here. What is she missing?
So I have my grains, my protein, my vegetable, my dairy. What am I missing?
What were you eating this morning? What were you eating? What were you eating?
Apples. So we are missing our fruit. So we're going to keep going and we're going to look into our Scholastic News magazine and we're going to create a well-balanced meal.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and pull it up. Okay, so let's watch our video first. Let's eat.
Let's eat. A car needs fuel to go. Your body needs food to work.
I don't know. It paused the share.
Or just unshare and share again and see if that would work. Looks like it's frozen. Can you check Angel's watch?
There we go.
Because it's kind of loose on him.
Let's eat. A car needs fuel to go. Your body needs food to work. Food gives you energy to move and think. Eating healthy food helps you grow big and strong. How do you eat well? It is healthy to eat a variety of foods. That means we should eat different kinds of foods. You can eat foods with lots of protein, like meat or nuts, and dairy, like cheese and milk, and grains, including bread and pasta. Don't forget fruits and vegetables. One way to make sure you are eating a variety of foods is to make a colorful plate. You can add color by adding fruits and vegetables. But what about candy? That's colorful, right? Candy is colorful, but it is not healthy. Some foods have a lot of sugar or grease. They're okay to eat sometimes, but it's not healthy to eat them all the time. Think of them as sometimes foods. Try to make a healthy choice when you choose a snack. Which of these snacks is a healthy choice? What about these?
So which one is a healthy choice, Aiden? The crackers and peanut butter or our ice cream sandwich? Crackers and peanut butter. Good job.
One more thing. If you think you don't like one kind of healthy food, try it again. The next time you might like it.
So we are going to go into our magazine, and here we have a colorful plate. We have a colorful plate. In the video they mentioned in a way to eat a well-balanced food, a well-balanced plate is by having a colorful plate. So here we have our grains. Remember, our grains are good for you and they give you energy. And we have our dairy. It helps you build healthy, strong bones.
Can you maximize the screen? There's like a little plus on the top. There should be.
This.
Okay, no, I guess, yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And then you can move it around.
And we have our fruits and vegetables, and they help your body. They help your whole body because they have different vitamins. And our last category is our protein. They are good for you. They help you build strong muscles. So in your packet, you have a plate. Okay, before we start our activity, I want to keep going and let's go on to our game. You ready to play a game, Angel? Yep. So let's go back. Okay, Angel. So which food is good for you? Our tomato or a lollipop? A tomato. Good job. And which one is unhealthy, Aiden? Can you say the lollipop? Good job. And which food is healthy, Ruben? Our milk or our lemonade? Milk, good job. And which one is unhealthy, Ruben? Lemonade, good job. Okay, here's another snack. Alex, which is good for you? Which one is healthy?
Banana.
The banana, awesome. And which is unhealthy?
Chips.
Our chips, good job. And which is a healthy option for breakfast, Aiden? Our sugary cereal or our oatmeal? Oatmeal, good job. And which is unhealthy, Aiden?
Cereal.
Our cereal. Awesome. So here they have colorful plates. So I want everyone to get their packet out, and here you have a plate, an empty plate.
So good, get your packet out, Angel.
And we have our food. We have.
You're going to go to the plate. Find the plate.
I have an apple.
Yeah, so I put an apple in your packet so you can have a healthy snack. Oh, I don't have an apple in front of me. So I put an apple in there so you can have a healthy snack, a healthy treat to eat on when you're hungry. So in your packet, I put our different fruit. I put different worksheets, and together we're going to make a colorful, healthy plate. Then on your own, you can review your different foods, and then I provided a healthy snack for you.
So do you want them to put their name on their paper or
Yeah,
and then should they use their pencil or crayons for it?
they're crayons. So you also need your crayons, and you're going to draw a healthy, balanced food plate. So which is your favorite fruit, Alex?
Apple, banana, baby carrot.
Okay, so we're going to draw your favorite food. You can draw an apple. We're going to draw a colorful plate. Remember, we need our fruits, our vegetables, our protein.
Which is your favorite fruit? You like apples, strawberries, and
So let me draw my favorite fruit is strawberries.
So you're gonna need red for your apple, right? Do you have red? Okay.
Yes, Ruben.
Oh, he has it.
Yeah, he has it
Okay,
already.
great. So just he needs the plate. I think Izzy.
Yeah, so that is the plate. So now you just need your crayons, Ruben. So here I have my strawberries. I added my fruit. Did everyone draw their fruit already?
I'm not sure. What's your middle name?
So then I drew my broccoli. So I have my two categories. We have our fruits and our vegetables.
So, Aiden, you're going to add a vegetable now. After your fruit, you're gonna draw a vegetable. Because you said you were gonna draw the apple. So Angel, let's stay on task, okay? So did you already draw your fruit and vegetable?
He drew his fruit.
Okay, so you're gonna have to pick a vegetable now.
No, that's the fruit. Vegetable.
Let me see.
Do you like carrots, Angel?
Okay, that looks awesome. That looks awesome.
Your vegetable.
Apples, so now we have to draw a vegetable. What vegetable do you like?
So on the screen, I went ahead and I put the pictures of our different groups of foods.
On one of the papers, it has.
Oh, yeah, I put that in front
Oh,
of it.
okay, great, yeah.
So what vegetable do you like? A potato? What color is a potato?
JC, did you draw your favorite fruit already, JC? And for our grains, I am going to draw some rice.
Can you elaborate on the examples of grains? I know you said rice, but what else can
Let
we
me
draw?
see. So for our grains, we have different types of grains. We can draw pasta, we have potatoes, we have rice, we have buns.
So now you have to draw a grain.
There is cereal and bread.
Bread. Look at the screen. Aiden, which one are you gonna draw? Spaghetti, bread.
Ruben, which one do you like? Do you like rice or spaghetti?
Which one do you like? Aiden? Rice, spaghetti, bread. Which one?
For your grains, Aiden, look at the screen. Which one do you like? Do you like pasta, rice, or bread?
Because we're working on grains. We're not working on fruits anymore.
Green.
Grains.
Grains. Do you like eating a sandwich, Aiden?
Green.
Do you like bread?
So our sandwich has bread, so you can draw bread. So we have our
Potatoes. Miss Herrera likes sweet potatoes. Yes, that's a nice piece of bread there. Good job.
so we have our vegetables, our fruits, our rice.
Your bread.
You drew your bread. Awesome, Aiden.
It was a nice bread too.
So what am I missing? We are missing
job, Alex.
our awesome, Alex. I like your colorful plate. What did you draw on there, Alex?
Apple, banana, watermelon, carrot, blueberry.
Wow. And what about your grain? You are missing your grain, Alex. Do you like rice, spaghetti, or bread?
Bread.
Bread. So let's draw a piece of bread. We're missing our grain. And we also need to draw our protein. Do you like, Aiden, what do you like? Do you like chicken, fish, or eggs?
Egg.
Egg. So let's go ahead and draw an egg in there. What about you, Angel? What do you like?
I like
You like turkey? Okay,
I saw egg.
okay.
So let's go ahead and draw a piece of turkey, Angel. What about you, Ruben? What do you like? Do you like chicken, meat, fish? Can I see your plate, Ruben? Awesome. What did you draw on your plate, Ruben?
Carrot, broccoli, and banana, apple. Strawberry.
Strawberries, awesome. And what is about your protein? What do you like for protein? Do you like chicken, eggs, or meat?
Chicken.
Chicken. So let's draw a piece of chicken on there. JC, can I see your colorful plate, JC?
Baby.
Oh, you're coloring the strawberry. Awesome. Good job, JC. Good job, Ruben. Awesome. And you drew, what are you having to drink on your cup, Ruben? Ruben, what do you have in your cup to drink? Water. Awesome. So our last group of food that we are missing our dairy. So which one do you like, Alex and Ruben? Do you like cheese, yogurt, or milk?
You like yogurt, milk, cheese? There's even broccoli there.
one?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. So let's go ahead and draw some yogurt on our plate. What about you, Ruben? Which one do you choose? Do you like yogurt, cheese, or milk?
Broccoli.
Broccoli has calcium. So you already drew your broccoli on there, Ruben. That's right.
Oh, is that sardines next to the broccoli?
Yes,
Okay, I guess, yeah, sardines have
calcium.
calcium.
Awesome, Alex. And what do you, oh, Angel,
Angel went to the bathroom.
what do you like for your dairy, Aiden? You like milk, cheese, or yogurt?
I just dropped broccoli.
You like broccoli? It has calcium as well. Good job, Aiden. Okay, so before we move on, we are going to go on our grocery hunt. So we are going to pretend that we are going grocery shopping and we have a grocery list. So can everyone look at the screen? Thumbs up if you're looking at the screen.
Aiden?
Awesome, Alex.
Look at
So
the
we
screen.
are going grocery shopping and on our list we have protein. Aiden, which one is a protein? Which one do I need to add to my cart?
An apple or a hot dog? Which one has protein? Meat. Which one has meat?
Apple.
The apple has meat in it?
No, it has.
An apple is a fruit. So remember, protein has meat. So which one has meat? A hot dog or an apple? A hot dog. Good job, Angel. A hot dog.
Thank you for helping Aiden.
And now we need to add our dairy. Ruben, which one do we need to add to our cart? Do we add a donut or milk?
Milk.
Milk. Good job. And we need to add our fruit now. Alex, which one is our fruit? Our cereal or our apple?
Which one's a fruit?
Which one is a fruit, Alex?
I hear your buddy's helping you out, Alex.
Angel is helping you. I think he's talking to his mom.
Oh, okay, he's on mute.
Yeah. So our fruit, Angel helped us, and our fruit is our apple. Okay, JC, we need our vegetable now. We need to add our vegetable into our cart. Can you look at the screen for me, JC?
Oh, can you help him because he was out? in the restroom. He
JC,
has to
can
draw-
you help
I
us?
think he has to draw the-
Which one is our vegetable? Do we have a pretzel or a broccoli? Which one do we add into our cart when we're grocery shopping?
Which one's vegetable, JC? Broccoli or pretzel or a cookie? Vegetable.
Cheese.
Not macaroni and cheese.
Can you say broccoli, JC?
Look, what's that? Look, JC. What's that? Look, what's that?
Broccoli.
Did you say broccoli?
Awesome. We're saying broccoli. Oh, we need more dairy, Ruben. Which one do we add? Which one has dairy? Do we add our beets or our yogurt?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Good job.
Yogurt's a dairy because it has
And Angel, which one is our grain? Popcorn or watermelon? Watermelon's a fruit, remember? This one is tricky for you. It's our popcorn. Popcorn is corn. Popcorn is made of corn.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, popcorn is made of corn, Angel.
Oh, I get it. Yeah, that's popcorn is good.
And what about protein, Angel? Which one has meat? Which one helps your muscles grow, Angel? Our hamburger patty or our donut? Our hamburger patty. Good job. They help our muscles grow. And Alex, we still need to add more vegetables to our cart. Which one do we add? Do we add our cauliflower or corn dog? Which one is a vegetable?
Cauliflower.
Or cauliflower. Good job, Alex. And Aiden, which one is our fruit? We need to keep adding fruit. Orange. Good job, Aiden. Okay, Ruben, which one is our grain? Do we have pasta or yogurt? Which one do we add? We need our grains. Pasta. Good job, Ruben. We are adding our pasta. And we need more protein. What do we add, Angel? Do we add French fries or chicken? French fries are potatoes, remember. So which one has meat, Angel? Chicken or French fries? Chicken. Chicken makes our muscles grow. And Aiden, which one is a vegetable? Which one do we add? Do we add a cinnamon roll or a bell pepper? Bell pepper. Good job. Okay, JC. Which one is a fruit, JC? Are eggs or blueberries? JC, which one is our fruit?
What's that?
Blueberries. Angel's helping you. Can you say blueberry, JC?
Blueberry.
Blueberries. Can you point to the picture, JC? Blueberries. We need to add our blueberries. I like your coloring, JC. And we need to add our whole grains. Remember, muffins are made of whole wheat too. So which one is our grain, Aiden? Do we add our muffin or our hot cocoa?
Which one's a grain?
Which one is a grain?
The bread. Which one's a bread?
Okay, you ready?
It's a muffin. Can you say muffin? Muffin.
Aiden, let's look at the...
So we have our dairy, Alex. Which one is our dairy? We need to keep adding dairy to our cart. Do we add watermelon or cheese, Alex? Ruben, can you help Alex? Which one do we add? Cheese or watermelon? For our dairy. Watermelon is a fruit. Remember, dairy has milk. So we have milk and cheese in our dairy. Which one do we add, Ruben? Can you say cheese?
Angel was saying cheese.
Angel saying cheese. Awesome, Angel.
Let's focus over here.
And we have more grains. Do we add a pretzel or a orange, Aiden?
Aiden, what are we going to add to the grains? Pretzel or orange? An orange is a what? It's a fruit. So which one looks like a bread?
It's a pretzel. Awesome, Angel. Thank you for helping. You are awesome. You're a superstar this morning. What about our dairy? Ice cream is made of milk. So which one is our dairy in this picture? Which one is our dairy? Aiden, do we add our beets or do we add ice cream? Ice cream. I think I went over, but yeah.
Can we just